Confession time. I love Wendy's burgers. I really do. The Dave's #1 single with cheese, it's a classic. So let's make that today. All right, now this is 80/20 ground chuck. I don't have the British beef like Wendy's has, so we're gonna have to make do. 80/20 is the way to go. We're not gonna measure this exact, but I think about that much ground beef will do. Just make a beef patty. Nothing too complicated here. Now, the classic way that Wendy's makes their burgers is that square patty, so we're gonna do that. I think. We're gonna do our best. Never done that before, but here we go. Now, I've seen these little square utensils you can put the burger in and form it to meet the edges and, you know, do all that stuff, but I don't have that, so we're just gonna wing it. Let's kick this up a notch and use some Cosmo's cow cover. It's a coarse rub, which I really happen to like. It's got a little kick to it. Get the other side. So right now we're gonna let that rub sit a little bit and we'll get it on the grill in about 5 minutes. There's our square Wendy's patty. All right, here we go. Let's get us some tomato. If you're not a fan of tomatoes, then you don't have to do this, of course. And of course a bun, Duke's mayo, and some Heinz ketchup, and some lettuce, and some dill pickles. One of those. We also got to go with 2 slices of American cheese. Let's see how that burger's coming along. On the old Blaze Kamado. Smells delicious. We're not quite ready yet, but it's getting there. It's smelling good. Let's see where we are. Oh man. It's maintaining its shape pretty well, I'd say. Not completely square, but close enough. So let's go ahead and give it a few more minutes and then we'll flip. All right, I think it's time to flip. Some of that juice is starting to come to the top, so I know it's ready to flip. All right. We still have our shape, sort of. We've lost a little bit of the edge, so it is what it is at this point, so we just got to keep going. All right, let's go ahead and build our burger, or get the buns prepared anyway. Now Wendy's, I'll put a picture right there, that's what it looks like. So they put their ketchup and mayo on the bottom bun, then they put their meat, well, then there's a piece of cheese, then meat, then cheese. So let's build it that way. A little Duke's mayo. Then we're going with our Heinz. And we'll go ahead and put our cheese down. I'll go ahead and put this other piece of cheese on the burger to melt it. Got that nice slice of American cheese. Okay, here we go. All right, let's go with our lettuce, tomato, and a few pickles. Now that's looking absolutely fantastic. Now it just so happens that I bought a Wendy's burger. Let's unwrap this guy. Let's find out which one we like the best. Okay, first I'm just going with the Wendy's burger. Now, I know it's been sitting for a little while, so let's dig in. It's a good Wendy's burger. It's the #1. It's the Dave single. It's delicious. All right, time to try ours. As one would expect, it's no comparison. Much more juicy, much more flavor. So can you make your own Wendy's burger at home? Absolutely. Is it gonna be better? Probably so. Now, I did have trouble maintaining the square shape for the patty, but that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. So let me know in the geese. So let me know in the comments below which is your favorite fast food burger. If you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's going to help us out a lot, and we certainly appreciate that. Hey, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time.